Hi, I'm Aishmika and today we are going to see Adobe Photoshop. First, we can see the history of Adobe Photoshop. Photoshop was created in 1988 by brothers Thomas and John. The software was originally developed in 1987 by the Knoll brothers and then was sold to Adobe System in 1988. The program started as a simple solution for displaying grayscale image on monochrome displays. What is the Adobe Photoshop? Photoshop is the Adobe photo editing, image creation, and graphic design software. The software provides many images editing features for raster pixel-based image as well as vector graphics. Photoshop is used by photographers, graphic designers, video game artists, advertising, and meme designers. Uses of Adobe Photoshop: image writing, project layout, uh, brand style, business, and the etc. etc. There are many uses for Adobe Photoshop. And next we can see the basic components, basic tools of Adobe Photoshop. The basic tools are 8. There are 8 basic tools of Adobe Photoshop. They are file, edit, image, layer, select, filter, view, window. And next we can see the definitions of tools. First, file. For file, Photoshop format PSD is the default file format and the only format based the large document format PSB that supports all Photoshop features. You can save 16 bytes per channel and high dynamic range HDR 32 bytes per channel images as PSD files. Next we can see edit. Using the crop tools, you can trim edges, can change the shapes and size of a photo, and even straighten a crooked shoreline or horizon. Apply a sharpen filter to give your photo a finishing touch. Then you save your edited file in PSD format to preserve your layers for future editing. Next, we can see image. For image, we can see graphic file format differ in the way that represent image data as pixel or vector. And support different compression techniques and Photoshop's features. To preserve all Photoshop features, layers, effects, masks, and so on. Save a copy of your photo in Photoshop filter PSD. And next we can see layer. Photoshop layer are like sheets of stacked tape. You can see through transparent areas of a layer to the layers below. Transparent areas on a layer let you see layers below. You use layers to perform tasks such as compositing, multiple images, adding text to an image, or adding vector graphic shapes. Next, we can see select. A selection is an area of a photo that you define. Adobe Photoshop Elements provides selection tools for different kinds of selections. For example, the elliptical marquee tool select the circular and elliptical areas, and the magic wand tool can select an area of similar colors with one click. Next, filter. You can see filter to click up or retouch your photos. Apply special art effects that give your image to appear of a sketch or impressionistic paintings, or create unique transformations using distortions and lighting effects. The filters provided by Adobe appears in a filter menu. And next we can see view. Some tools in the tool panel have options that appear in the context sensitive options bar. You can view information about any tool by positioning the pointer over it. The name of the tool appears in a tool tip below the pointer. Note, some workspaces shipped with Photoshop CC 2015 customize the toolbar. Next, we can last component, basic component is window. On the Mac, for certain product, you can show or hide it using the window menu. The tools panel contains tools for creating and editing images, artworks, page elements, and so on. The option bar control panel displays displays options for the currently selection tool. The document window displays the full you're working on. And that's all. We have learned what is Adobe Photoshop, the history of Adobe Photoshop, and what are the uses of Adobe Photoshop, and the components of tools of basic tools of Adobe Photoshop and their abbreviation. Thank you.